Y'all clearly cannot see my face because I wanted y'all to see the entire dress, but my face was like, I was What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I am here with another video. So today's video is going to be my Skims try on haul. Y'all, let me tell y'all how much I love this stuff. And I wasn't sure that I was going to love this stuff, but I love this stuff. So let's get into it. So my first outfit I tried on was the Skims. Matter of fact, I'm just going, let me pull my order up. Let me pull my order up and I'm going to read it to y'all like how it is in my order. Cause y'all, I really like was not sure. And I'm like so happy that the stuff fits like I thought it was. Because I really was not sure. So I'll tell y'all what I got. So the first thing that y'all are going to see on the video is the soft lounge long slip dress in the color camel. I did get a size large, y'all, and why does this dress fit like a glove? Like, I was in complete shock when I put it on. Y'all clearly cannot see my face because I wanted y'all to see the entire dress, but my face was like, I was taken aback because I don't know. I wasn't sure because I know Kim's curvy, but like I'm curvy like everywhere. Like my boobs are big, I got hips, I got butt. Like I just was not sure if this was gonna fit your girl, and it did. And I'm super satisfied with this purchase. This dress is like something you can wear to brunch, you can wear this to a dinner, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can throw you a little jacket on to wear it to church. Like this is a very multi-functional, multi-event outfit, and I'm just like, I don't have words because like I'm just shocked that this worked so well for me. Even my mom was like, oh yeah, that looks really good. So this gets a 10 out of 10 from your girl, because I don't know. I guess I was in fear of how it would look on me, and like everybody that I had seen buy things from them had either been like really skinny, or like they don't have like a lot of shape. So I was like, dang, this stuff fit them, because you know they ain't. But she does make this stuff for like, I think everything goes up to I think everything goes up to like a 4X if I'm not mistaken. So like she did her thing with that. Like she did her thing with that. So the next item that I got was the cotton jersey t-shirt bodysuit in the color rose clay. And y'all, the bodysuits fit very nice as well. It really is fitted, it's comfortable, it's soft, like, and I feel like you can almost dress it up as well. Like if you have like a nice pair of jeans or something, or some cute leggings that you can wear with it, you definitely can dress it up and make that work. I got that in a size large. I think I got everything in larges because that's like my comfort size. Like that's the size that I know like every time I try it's gonna fit. So I got that in a rose clay, and then I got the cotton rib boxer in the rose clay as well. So I have all of that on together in the clip. It actually looks really good together. Sometimes I don't try to match like that, but that actually looked really well together, and everything was comfortable. I like the band on the boxers because I don't know, bands make me feel comfortable. like I feel like it's not gonna roll down or anything on me if I have a band. But they are very comfortable. Everything has really nice stretch to it, and you know, you usually don't get good stretch with certain clothes, but this stuff has the good stretch. So I did also get the cotton jersey t-shirt in the color suit, which is a black, and like, okay, it's my only issue. I got one con for this one is sheer, like you can see straight through it. So like if you are going to order the black, you definitely either need to like put on a bra with it, like a black bra, or like if you don't wear bras, you could put some nipple covers on, but you don't need something because it's see-through. So I most likely will just be wearing a bra because y'all know I'm top heavy. I tell y'all that all the time. I cannot I just can't go without the bra, even though in the try on like I don't have one on. So that's what it would look like if you were top heavy like me and just did not put one on. But y'all, overall, everything I got, 10 out of 10. Well, the black is just 9 out of 10 just because you can see through it, but you know, I could work with that. And so that's why I'm not gonna rate it too low, but definitely 10 out of 10 for everything. Kim did her thing with this brand. I feel like it's an inclusive brand. I feel like anybody can wear the stuff from here, because honestly, that was my biggest fear. Even though like she had models of every size on there, you still never know if, like, you know, because listen, I model, I know how they make this stuff work. People be having clips and stuff on the back of their dresses and stuff, and you can't tell that it's there because the photographer knows what he's doing and the stylist knows what they're doing. So like, sometimes them pictures don't be accurate because of that. But I must say, this stuff actually fits like I hoped it would fit, and I am completely satisfied with my purchase. With Skims, you can afterpay it. So like if you're someone and you looking on the website, you like, I'm not gonna give them this money for this, you can afterpay it. So you can either go directly to afterpay, or you can go to their website and you can choose that as an option at checkout. But like I said, your girl loves this, so I will be placing another order with them because they did not have the dress, the lounge dress in black, and y'all know me, I like black. So I need a black dress. So I will be like checking back and forth and seeing, you know, if they have anything. But y'all, mind blown, okay? Because I don't know, I was in fear and I shouldn't have been. I should have just trusted it. But yeah, that's my video. Y'all finna get a lot of short content videos because I haven't been purchasing a lot of things for my try on hauls. I've been purchasing just enough. But y'all, I'm gonna link everything down below. I really am, because y'all really need to go check this stuff out and make a purchase. I'm not just saying that. I'm not being sponsored. I ain't got no PR. Like, this came out my pocket. I paid for this. And I truly love everything that I purchased. Like, I made a small purchase intentionally because I was like, well, what if I don't like this stuff and it get here? And I'm like, so let me just get a couple things and see how that works. And I'm glad I did that because I love everything. Love it all. But yeah, that's my video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll definitely see y'all in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share with your family and friends, because share your girl with the world, okay? Don't be stingy. Don't be like, oh yeah, I watched so-and-so, and then not tell them to watch me too. You have to tell them to watch me too, okay? But I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.